You'll have love at first sight with the 2024 Ram 2500. The Ram 2500 delivers heavy-duty capability, sophisticated style, rugged strength, and technology that keeps you safe and connected. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, navigation system, keyless entry, remote engine start, power passenger seat, wood grain interior trim, four-wheel drive, keyless start, comfortable and convenient on the inside, tough as nails on the outside. The Ram 2500.